Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. In today's video, this is day number 188 of my 365 days of art. And in today's video, I decided to do have another go at these webcomic style drawings. I realized that I have a lot of resources, available to me, but I'm not really using them, especially on a drawing app like MEDIBANG. They have a lot of resources that are absolutely free that you can use for your webcomics or anything like that. But I ended up not using them, so I'm using them in this drawing. I decided to just keep it black and white, although I am kind of thinking about coloring it. I might not just do it. I'm not that confident at the moment, but anyway, I decided to go for just drawing a male portrait for now, and with time I might add other characters. So I want to draw scenes with multiple characters. I want to draw scenes in perspective. I want to try different things, so like composition in the frame, thumbnailing, creating different panels, and all of these various things. It's good to have theory. It's good to study theory of different ideas that you can look at, but it's also good to apply them. So I want to apply what I studied, and I use it for my benefit and know how to create a comic at the end of the day. So I just don't want my daily art to have strictly only portraits or strictly only this, but that's kind of why I'm trying different things. I want to draw backgrounds, I want to draw objects, I want to draw people, I want to draw animals. It's my desire to actually paint some animals. I like cats and extremely small dogs. I'm not a fan of big dogs, but I would like to draw, animals and all of that. So it's a scary process because I don't know which brushes to use and all of that, but I want to explore and I want to share that exploration with my subscribers. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna look for different brushes on MEDIBANG. They have, like I said, they have a lot of free resources that are available, as long as you just open up an account. So I had my account for more than a year now, but I've never really taken the time to explore it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about. I want to know what my art style will be for my comic book, but I will take some time, and I will take my time with creating it, because comic books are something that require dedication, but also commitment. So once I started, I can't really stop unless I maybe take a break or something like that. So I want to give it my all. I don't want to do it half-heartedly. So that's kind of my motive behind everything. So that's why I'm moving at a snail pace with this comic book that I want to create. But yeah, that is all I want to talk about. I don't have much to say, but I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic day ahead. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.